My name is Anneka and I studied the Graduate Diploma in Human Resources Management. So my job role is Senior Human Resources Advisor at Best Start. I manage a team of 3 and in my region we oversee just over 800 staff, and so having the skills behind me through my qualification has really given me the confidence to be able to really excel and move up in my HR journey. I really enjoy working for a company such as Best Start and within early childhood education because it's really amazing to see the difference that our teachers make in the lives of our children. I really enjoyed online distance learning because it provided me the opportunity to learn and to study at a time that suited me. I would give a lot of encouragement to other people that are thinking about studying through distance learning. Because once you've done, once you've been there, once you've completed your qualification, you've got it. You've got it for life. And it's only going to benefit yourself, it's only going to benefit your family, it's only going to be a positive thing.